Hello all, welcome to part 38 of JavaScript for Beginners series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about regular expressions in JavaScript. So let's get started. First of all, I'll open this Visual Studio Code IDE and create a sample JavaScript file, say demo.js. Inside this JavaScript file, I'll create a variable. Say let a is equal to, I'll assign some string text here, okay? I'll assign some string text, say Arun Motori, which is my name. Now, in the next statement, I'll create a regular expression, regx. You can give any name here, guys. I'm just giving regx, okay? That's fine. So here, I'll create a regular expression, guys, okay? The regular expression should be in between this one, okay? In between this forward slashes. Here, let's say I want to create a regular expression which searches for Arun, okay? Which has to find Arun, okay? Just put a semicolon here. From here to here is a regular expression, guys, in this case. And this regular expression need to search Arun in this Arun Motori. Okay, is there any Arun inside this Arun Motori? Yes, right. So how to test that? Whether this regular expression is finding Arun in this particular Arun Motori. How to find that? For that, guys, I'll simply say console.log of. Okay, I'll just say regular expression dot test. I'll use some method known as test method. I'm going to test this regular expression to see whether this particular regular expression is finding the required text in this particular statement. Okay, like that. Regular expression dot test of a. Okay, is this particular regular expression is available? Okay, is the text mentioned in this regular expression is available in this particular variable or not? I am checking at that level. Okay, now let me run this code, guys. If this particular Arun text is found in this particular variable a, then you will get true as the output. You see, you got the true because this Arun is there here, right? This Arun text is there inside this variable. Apart from Motori, we have Arun also. That's why we are getting that output. Okay. Now, what if I'll change the regular expression like this? I'll just change the capital A to small a. Will this regular expression will be found in this particular Arun Motori? No, guys, because this is lowercase, this is uppercase. Okay. This regular expression cannot find this Arun in this particular variable because here lowercase, here uppercase. That's the problem. Let's see. This time you should get false. Okay. This side, the test method will print false. The reason is low case sensitive. Okay. Here lowercase, here uppercase. What if I want to make this as a case insensitive? Okay. Either it can be lowercase or uppercase. We have to find. In that case, you just need to, at the end of this regular expression, just type something known as I, guys. Okay. I means case insensitive. It will make the regular expression to find the required text in this text without considering the case. Without considering the case, if you want to search, you have to add I here in the regular expression. This time, if I run this code, guys, the test method will return true now. You see, true is written. Can you see that? True is written. That's fine. Next. Those are few examples, guys. Now let's go with another example, guys. I'll say let A is equal to, I'll just give some text like sit, sit, sit. Okay. I'll give the regular expression also. Regular expression is equal to, like this, I have to write first. Here, I'll write something like square bracket IT. Inside the square bracket, I will say SKF. Why I have written three letters here? Okay. Here, regular expression is bit customized, guys. The last two letters will be IT. That's fine. But the first letter need to be either S or K or F. Okay. If any of these letters are matching along with IT, here SIT is there, which is matching. First letter is S here in SIT, and remaining letters are IT. So the regular expression will pass, guys. Okay. Hope you are able to understand. Console.log of regx.test of a have to write. Okay. This will return true, guys. No demo.js. You see, true will be printed. What if I'll change this S to F? Fit. Instead of sit, I'll say fit. Here, the first letter can be either S or K or F. Even though it is fit also, it will return true now. Okay. Node demo.js. Okay. Still true. What if I give here kit, KIT kit? Still it will return true because one of the letter can be K. The first letter can be K. Node demo.js. Still true. What if I give AIT? AIT. Is it possible? No, guys. In this three letters, A is not there. In any of these three letters, A is not there. So first letter can either be S or K or F. If it is other than S, K, F, like A, then can't do anything. Okay, it will return false. Okay, false. What if guys I change this string to A to Z? Okay, only three letters means you can provide the three letters here, like SKF kind of thing you can provide. But if you decide that the first letter or first character of this particular string text can be anything from A to Z, it can be A, it can, you cannot write like this, right? A B C D E F G H. That will be bit lengthy. Instead of doing that, we'll simply say A to Z. Okay, it can be anything from A to Z, guys. Okay. Now in this case, what will happen, guys? This test method will return true because here in A to Z, A is there. So it will return true. But if I make it something like N, still it will be true, guys. It A to Z, anything, any letter can be from A to Z, right? So now if I say node demo.js, still true. We are getting true, guys. So now what if I make this capital A? Here small a to small z, but here capital A. Will it work? No, guys. Only lowercase letter should be there in the first. But here uppercase letter is there. So if I run this code, you'll get false case. What if I add A to Z also? Here the first letter can be either lowercase A to Z or uppercase A to Z. In this case, fine, it is matching. Either it can be lowercase A to Z or uppercase A to Z. Since it is uppercase A, it is matching one of the conditions. So this will return true now. Demo.js. True. Okay. What if I add some number, say 7 here? 7 IT. This time, if you run this code, the test will return false because the first letter can be either lowercase letter or uppercase letter, but not number, right? So no demo dot, if I say no demo.js, you see you'll get false. Okay. Now, what if I add something like this 0 to 9 in this case? Okay. The first letter can be either lowercase letter or uppercase letter, or can be a number from 0 to 9. It is one of the number from in between 0 to 9, right? So it will return true now. Okay, it will return true now. You see, you got true now. Okay, this is how, guys, we can work with the regular expressions. Okay, there's one more thing, guys. There is one more thing. What if you provide something like this? Okay, cap 0 to 9 if you provide. Okay, that means the first letter can be anything except the numbers from 0 to 9. It should not be 0 to 9, guys. If you say not of 0 to 9, this regular expression will result false. Okay, will result, test method will return false because here number is there. Here we are saying should not be number. The first letter should not be number, but here number is there. So it will return false, guys. Let me run this code. You see return false. Okay, it will return false. Fine. What if I provide any other thing other than, let's say, AIT? If I provide, it's not a number, right? So it should return true. Okay, it should return true because except numbers, anything can be accepted in the first letter. That's what is not of. Okay, so hope, guys, you understood some basic regular expressions that we can use in JavaScript. Okay, so there are a lot more examples I can provide, guys, but okay, this is a very big topic, guys. Regular expressions in JavaScript is a very big topic, which can be like a series of tutorials can be created around this regular expression, but I don't want to go so much deep. So what I did is I just provided all the general regular expressions that we need, okay, for our knowledge. And one more thing, guys, before closing up, here the square brackets I provided in the first letter. We can also provide the square brackets in the first letter, middle letter, last letter, and provide this kind of ranges. So that's also possible, guys. Okay. So that's all, guys. You can try that out. Okay. Instead of providing the square bracket in the in the first, you can try to provide the square bracket in the middle or at the end and try whether the regular expression is working properly or not. Okay. So see that you can do that on your own, guys. Okay. So that's all about the regular expressions, guys, which is covered at a high level, and this will be enough for our learning. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.